Nervous tissue is a very specialized tissue type. Nervous tissue is the only tissue type in your body that is designed specifically to communicate using both electrical and chemical signals. We will spend a lot of time on the nervous system looking at exactly how this nervous tissue accomplishes its functions. Right now, we want to identify the major cells of the tissue and just really learn to distinguish and identify this tissue from other tissue types. We have two types of cells within nervous tissue. The major cell, the neuron or nerve cell, which has several parts we'll talk about in just a moment when I show you the picture. And then we have the other cells all collectively grouped together and known as neuroglial or glial cells. When we look at neurons in a picture, we want to make sure we can identify the three major parts of the neuron. Here is a very close-up image of a neuron within nervous tissue. This large cell here, that is the neuron. The neuron has three major parts. The cell body, shown here, with nucleus in the center. You have the long extension here called the axon. And then you have multiple shorter extensions clustered here. Looks like a sun. Those are called the dendrites. So now if I remove all of this drawing I've put on here, hopefully we could identify the parts. We have the cell body, the large part in the middle, the long, slender axon, and the shorter, more numerous dendrites. So at this point, you should be able to recognize that this is nervous tissue, identify the neuron and its parts, and know that nervous tissue is found within the nervous system. Its function is to communicate with itself and with other cells in the body.